Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our April Ice Cream Beauty Bag. This is the little sister of the Ice Cream Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out for yourself. And in addition to that, there will be a coupon code down there, so if you decide you'd like to try it out for yourself, it'll be right there waiting. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in. We're not delaying anything. Now this one also comes with a description card. This one is not a large one because the Ice Cream Beauty bag has 3 to 5 full-size products in it. Okay, and they're listed here. So the very first one that we have is by KLARITY Cosmetics, and it is this one right here. It is KLARITY spelled with a K, and it says this is the lip gloss oil. Now this one tells me my shade is called Galaxy. Now it is a 2.1 ounce size. This one has an 18-month shelf life. This again is what the outer packaging looks like. And I opened it up and took the package out, and can we say Galaxy it is. Look at that. Can you see all that shimmer going on the inside? All right, so we're going to check it out and see for ourselves. Now, as you know, on this channel, we swatch at the end. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $14. All right, and we're definitely going to check it out in the end because I like the fact that it has an 18-month shelf. Okay, this is the next item we have, and this is by Beauty Creations, and this is the Brow Soap. It is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 24-month shelf life. How about that? All right, so this, of course, is the outer packaging. I'm going to show you the inner packaging so we can find out some more information about it. Now, this is what the inside looks like. Almost, well, identical to the outer packaging. This one is colorless. It locks the brows in place. It creates a fluffy and feathered effect. And for best results, it says use it wet, and it instantly thickens. So let me just see. 24-month shelf life. Let's see. Oh, okay. It does have a mirror in it. This is quite interesting because even though I opened it, it does have a protective cover, okay, over top of the soap. All right. And so, like I said, even though we've opened it, we have to remove this in order to use the product. All right. So, okay, so the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $6. Now, let me just pause just for a PSA right quick. Now, the price for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is $12.50. Now, the only difference is you do pay shipping and handling with this one, where you do not with the box. But at $12.50, we already paid for this box after the first product. And I do pretty much include all but about 99 cents in that first $14 for shipping and handling. So it was completely covered right then. All right. Let's keep going. We are on the last item in the bag. So we did get 3 products. The next item that we have is this one right here, and it's by Trend Beauty. And this one is the Brilliant Eyeshadow Palette. It's a 1.23 ounce size. It has 25 shades, and it is a cruelty-free product with a 24-month shelf life. How about that? All right. I know you love looking at this, but you want to see what the inside looks like, which is absolutely fine. The inside packaging looks exactly like the outside. When we do open the palette, it does have a full-size mirror in it. It does have a protective shield. I'm going to go ahead and cover the mirror, but let me tell you something. This is gorgeous. Look at those shades. Look at those shades. What do you think? Well, how about I tell you this? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this right here is $25. That's $1 a pan, y'all. And this one has duochromes, it has mattes, and it has shimmers. This is gorgeous. This is really, really beautiful. So, as you know, we do swatch at the end. So I guess that's what we're going to do right now. The only difference with this one, each one is numbered, and it does not have names, but they are numbered. So we're going to go ahead and swatch a couple, and we'll also, I think I'll put it right on top of what I have. Well, we'll see. So let's get to swatching. Okay, so we have taken care of our swatches. Now, of course, we do not swatch. Don't know how we really can, but the brow soap. So this is the only item that we did not swatch. This one right here. But we did swatch. We definitely did swatch the Brilliant palette. Now, I swatched 3 shades. I did number 21, which is on the bottom. I did number 14 and number 4. Number 4 is in the middle and 14 is on the top. Now, this right here is our lip gloss. Lip gloss slash lip oil is what they're calling, in addition to wearing it. Okay, so can you see this right here? It's swatched right across here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I do like the sparkle. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. This is amazing. And these shades with just one swatch, look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So what do you think? Give me your thoughts, okay? Have you received your box already? If you did not, hopefully it'll get to you soon. If you are currently not subscribed to this particular subscription bag, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Always full-size products, and from time to time there can be up to as many as 5. Well worth $12.50 plus shipping and handling, which is no more than $4, possibly. So, what are your thoughts? Are you liking what you see? I have to tell you, another time that I am not disappointed in what I have received. I have not been disappointed in a very, very long time. I don't think I've ever really been disappointed when I've received my beauty bag or beauty box from Ice Cream Beauty. Now, their customer service is amazing. Now, let me tell you something else. Just as a side note, you know, you have to give reviews on your products with some companies in order to build up points. That is not the case here. Your points are immediately added to your account as soon as your order is placed and paid for. How about that? And they do add up very, very quickly so that you can get yourself a couple of really nice items or save it up for something big that's in here that you really want. They have had tools, but 99.9% of the time, everything is makeup related, be it a makeup brush, a liner from time to time, or lipsticks, blushes, eyeshadows. I've even seen where we've had something like a skin tint, you know, that has been in there, or a shimmer. So it's really worth it. I'm telling you, I am not disappointed. It is money truly well spent. Okay, now, I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our April Ice Cream Beauty Bag. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, make sure you give it a thumbs up, Comment, let me know your feelings about what we've seen, what I've shown you that has been in this box or bag, in the bag, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and it's nice and easy on the pockets because it is free. All right, now make sure you share this bag information, share the video, show somebody what they could really get for under or around $15. Okay, now most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.